Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another relaxing sounds, but this time we are going to be doing something different. This is a wheel of most of my relaxing sounds, and I'm going to spin it, and whichever one it lands on, I'm going to have to do that sound. And as you can see, there is a very special one that's on there that is very, very small. It's coming up soon. Wait, look at the arrow. Bam, that's what it is. And I do not want it to land on that. So, let's get started. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Hand sounds. Okay. Okay, here we go. I really did not expect it to land on this one first time. Thought it'd be one of the, physical sounds. Okay, now back to the wheel. We are back to the wheel. Let's go. Uh-oh. No way. Oh, I thought it almost landed on the same one. Subie sandwich. Alright. Subie's awesome. And nothing you can say can change my mind. Unless you say something really convincing. But still, it'd be really tough. Alright, next sound. The wheel of names is back again. Let's go. Oh no. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's always like right in that section. That was so close. Here we go. Also, that photo of the wheel thingamajig, that's the book I'm making. And right now I'm only on chapter 3, so I'm not sure if it'll be out soon. Alright, next sound. Here we go. What is next? Oh, blanket. Okay, so I'm going to do the blanket, but really quickly, I'm going to go for a couple more sounds. Okay, straw and a remote. And then, I really want to get these two sounds. Oh my gosh, no way. Darn, alright, Mrs. Sprayer. Here we go. Wait, no, I do not start off with that. I start off with this. Next step. This. Oh, I forgot to put stamp on there. I haven't done stamp in so long. Same with 2 other sounds, so you know what? At the end of this video, I'm probably going to put those 3 sounds in. Because I'm forgetting them. Why do I forget them? And they're like really good sounds too. Next. It's gotta be under a minute. This one video. Splendid. Back to the wheel. Here we go. And we're off to the races. Storytelling. Okay. Let's go for a few more. Storytelling. No. Okay, we already did book, so we're actually gonna respin that. My heart's beating so fast whenever it gets close to that. We already did Miss Sprayer. You know what? I'm gonna start taking them off. I guess it would have landed on a dream skull, so we know what we're actually gonna do that one. Didn't really get. Oh, never mind. It lands on Finball, of course. Storytelling. Okay. Oh, so it would have landed on Dream Skull. So we're doing. What was it? It was, Storytelling, Dream Skull. I should get rid of it, actually. Wait. Okay, it lands on yarn, but if I get rid of dreamsicle, then... Okay, still yarn. Let's go. This was won by you guys. Remember, if you want to put in a story in the comments, whichever one's the top comment will be in a video. You're walking through a supermarket and you see a loaf of bread that reminds you of Subie's sandwich. You also grab 2 apples and 1 banana. You go out to check out, and the cashier says that it's free. So you run back, get 2 chips, and a drink. And then you go home and binge watch a show before a police take my battle. Awesome. Next up, Dreamscope. I'm so glad this one's back. Awesome. And then yarn. Awesome. Alright, this is going to be the last one. Wait, sorry. Here we go. This is going to be the last one. We're going to roll a few times. So we've got, okay, the popper. And remember, with each sound I do, that one, it gets bigger. I don't even want to say it. Oh, no, stop. No. Got too greedy. Alright. What the heck? Let's just do another. Stitch scratching. And why not? Let's also do one more. Okay, pillow. So what do we got? Alright, so what do we get? We got, wait, results. Okay, we got popper, that, stitch scratching, and pillow. Oh man, you know what time it is. I'm going to do it off screen. This video's gonna get taken down. And then what was next? Was stitch scratching, right? Forgot. And then lastly, we got the one and only, preferably, one of my favorites. Maybe the favorite. I also forgot to put the polyfilm there. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.